As mentioned earlier, we videotaped the participants involved in natural conversations and in structured interviews. The third task involved showing them 34 cards, 26 pictures, and 8 fingerspelled words to elicit sign variations. The categories of stimuli included food, animals, new technology, and country signs. 2 types of lexical variation appeared in the data. One type included variations of signs that are closely related, such as banana. The base hand uses a number 1 hand shape, while the active hand can take a variety of hand shapes. The other type included a variety of signs for a concept which were completely different from one another, such as pizza. These are separate variants. Let's watch some examples from the tapes. We found that some signs have many separate variants, while others have only a few. Here are some examples. Early has many variants. Snow varies less widely. After having shown the 34 stimuli to participants in all 7 regions, we elicited many variants for the same signs. But for 27 of the 34 stimuli, one variant was shared across all regions. The sign chicken, for example. Although a few variations did appear, the variant produced at the mouth was offered by signers in all regions. We also found that African American signers produced signs that Caucasian signers did not. This 2-handed sign chicken was offered only by the African American signers. Another kind of lexical variation occurs in such signs as rabbit, deer, snow, and tomato. Let's watch some examples from the tapes. Most of us on the research team expected older signers to use 2-handed signs such as deer, and younger signers to use 1-handed forms, or that we would see separate variants for signs like tomato between the groups. But such was not the case. We found examples of younger signers using 2-handed signs and both forms of tomato. Since we found such similarity across younger, middle-aged, and older signers, if there is a change taking place, it is still in progress. We also found variation in the use of the older and newer signs for Japan and Africa. Let's watch some examples from the tapes. We found that the younger and middle-aged signers use the newer signs, while the older signers tended to use the older forms.